The Request feature tool is built directly into Option Panel, giving you a direct line to the team whenever you think of something that could make the platform work better for you. No emails, no external forms, just a quick submission from wherever you are in the app. To open it, scroll to the bottom of the left sidebar and click on Request feature. A panel will slide open on the left side of your screen with a few fields to fill in. The Issue field works the same way as in the Bug Reporter. You can leave it set to New Issue if this is a fresh idea, or link it to an existing request if someone has already suggested something similar. In the Summary field, give your feature a short, clear title, just enough to capture the idea at a glance. The Description field is where you expand on it. Think about what feature you would like, and more importantly, how it would help you in your day-to-day use of the platform. The more specific you are, the easier it is for the team to understand and prioritize your request. You also have attachments, screenshot, and record available here, just like in the Bug Reporter. These are great for illustrating your idea, whether that is a quick capture of the screen you have in mind, a recording showing a workflow you would like to improve, or any file that helps communicate what you are thinking. Let's walk through an example. Looking at the trades table right now, it would be really useful to be able to export this data to a file for analysis in Excel, for record keeping, or simply to have an offline copy of your trade history. Here is how we would request it. Summary: export trades table to file. Description: it would be very helpful to have a button in the trades section to download the visible data as a file. This would allow users to analyze their trades in external tools like Excel or Google Sheets and keep a local record of their activity. Now we use Screenshot to capture the trades table. Once the capture is taken, the tool lets you draw directly on top of it. So instead of just sending a plain screenshot, we can mark it up, draw an arrow, circle an area, sketch a suggested position for the new button. In this case, we are going to suggest placing the download button right next to the filter and column controls in the top right corner of the table. So we draw an arrow pointing to that exact spot. That way, the team receives both the context and a concrete visual proposal in a single attachment. Then, we click Submit. Once submitted, you can follow the status of your request from the feedback menu in the left sidebar, the same place where bug reports live. There, you will find your own submissions as well as those from the rest of the community. So before sending a new request, it is always worth checking whether someone else has already suggested the same thing. If they have, your vote of support already helps.